Hello guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome to this live trading. Okay, I think there is a quick scalping position. All right, guys, so you are welcome once again, and we're taking a look on the gold as always. So, what can you see here, guys? There has been a beautiful trade, you know, earlier today, and we are seeing more opportunities in this session. So currently now, there might be a spike. Okay, there might be a spike. You might expect this to happen before it drops. So this is just what we are thinking of. This will be a very short trade. Okay, so I think I'll be taking a scalp trade there. Yeah, I just took a buy, and this buy is expected just to scalp. You know, how many people are we expecting? Just 20 pips, and we are done for this trade. So we just took a buy, all because I'm expecting the market to move and break this all-time high again. Okay, if I should measure this using a fib level, so I think at the should be done at this point. 2955. So let's watch how it goes. It's a very big scalp in position. All right. The stop loss should be at the beginning of this candlestick, the 30 minutes candlestick. Okay. Our stop loss is here. We entered here and we're expecting This is what we're this is what we're expecting. 1:1, 1:1.2. This is what we're just expecting. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Feel free to ask your question, guys. Okay, so the first 15 minutes candle has closed. Um, and it's showing us no wick. So that's might be a sign to be careful, you know. When the candle closes with no wicks, you know, it's a sign that we might be careful, you know, with the whole thing because yeah, 15 minutes is not closed well. So we're still in the game anyway. Let's see how it goes. 15 minutes is not closed well. I was expecting 15 minutes to shoot up and break the high, but we are still in the game. Yeah, I'm no longer confident with this trade, but let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is what we are. Okay, yeah, it's still the same thing. If he's breaking this previous low of the 15 minutes candle, maybe out, but What is your thought process, guys? The market is reversing. If that's 15 minutes candle flip bullish, that means won the trade. But it is what it is, man. Even though it's a 50-50 chance at the moment, we're not shaking. I'm confident in my analysis. I entered the trade based on my confirmation. So no matter what happens, I'll be fine. Six more minutes to go for the 5-15 minutes candle to close. All right. You are the gold digger. We are digging gold every day. Trading is fun. You know, if you understand the psychology behind it. Come from a state of, you know, abundance, and you stop chasing. And whatever the market gives you, you accept it with gladness, with thanksgiving, and you move on. But trading becomes tough when you're coming to the market with that state of lack. I want to make it today. I want to become, you know, having seen the screenshots of other successful traders, you're like, okay, let's see how I can duplicate that for my own self. You know, so you'll be trading from that state of lack and want, apprehension will set in, agitation sets in, you're over trading, you know. So your equity curve is your mirror. So you must see that in your own reflection. Like the impatient, indecisiveness, greed, impulsiveness, all that got seen in your equity curve. Wow. See what is going on here? Yeah, even that was like 50-50. Yeah. So at this point, you should be getting out of this trade. So with confidence, it's going to break the all-time high. Let's what of if it's breaking the all-time high with a lot of volume? Well, let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. We have 3 minutes to the close of this candle, both the 30 minutes and the 15 minutes. As I said yesterday, you know, we are trading using a 4-hour confirmation bias and 15 and 30 minutes entry confirmation. So once a 4 hours indicates bullish, then we'll come to the 30 minutes and 15 minutes to see that align. So alignment of that, we pull the trigger. This thing can mess with your mind, man. So, but no matter what, you're fine. Today we should be taking like 2 to 3 trades. All right? I believe you'll be good with that. God, I love this quote. It says, accepting profit is easy, but you cannot call yourself a trader until you accept both profits and losses. Sometimes you feel like you are making 1 step forward and 2 steps backward. Don't lose hope. Be patient and keep moving towards the right direction. Lesson will eventually sink in. Action will eventually be consistent. Gain will eventually compound. So that's just it. 1 minute to go. Look at how this thing is closing. So guys, if this candle closes bearish, what do you think will happen? I'll be out of this game. Yeah. I'll just close. I'll break even. I'll be closing just to minimize the risk, because I know other fantastic opportunities are coming my way. So why claim myself in this one that I've lost confidence? Let's see how it goes. Okay, what do you see, guys? Time to so this 15 minutes can be closes there. So I've closed my trade, guys. I'll break even. All right. So even though it might still go our way, but I don't want to mess with my mind. My mind is telling me quit and run. Close and stay on the fence for more beautiful opportunity. Okay, so that's what just I did. Now the reason is this. Why I did what I did is this. Looking at it from this perspective, I saw something that's actually showing me. So this is an impulse, and this impulse has broken this kind of structure and it's coming out again here. So probably from market structure, this has the room of coming down. Okay, so you can start breaking low from this point, and that was why I closed the trade. All right, so what should be waiting out for now? Let's wait for sell opportunity. If that comes our way, we'll be glad to take that. So at this point, we've closed our buy at break even. It was in profit, like 2 pips or 3 pips, I don't know, but it was closed in profit. Yeah, they say that you never can never be wrong in taking profits. So that's it's true. Well, we apply that today. So we've closed our sell break even. Is it man propose, market dispose? Man propose, market dispose. So the market is the God here. Okay. All right. So the market is the God, man. You got to follow it. So that was it. I think I'll be confident to take a sell if this market start breaking the low of 30 minutes here. This point, I'll be taking a sell if this candle, this particular candle start breaking this low. All right. So I'll be taking a sell. Take home this quote. A good trader understands that trading is not about competition against others. Okay, you're not competing with anybody out there. You're not trying to prove anybody right or wrong. You know, I heard a quote that said, "Kill them with success." Well, what of a situation whereby it's not coming your way at the moment? What are you going to do? So the game is about improving oneself compared to oneself. Improving your today's trade based on yesterday. Okay, so let the mistakes you make yesterday be minimized today. Let the one you make tomorrow be minimized compared to today. So in that process, you are improving. You are improving yourself. You're upgrading yourself. You are becoming the trader that you want to be. Okay, so that's just it. Yeah, this is a mid London session. So what based on what happened yesterday, we're expecting the market to move sideways before eventually it can start selling off. And I think at this point, the market might be selling off. All right, because a lot of indication is pointing downwards. So if I may show you that, let me show you one of those things I've seen. Okay, so considering this move, we've seen that, pay attention guys, you're going to learn something here. You're not just trading, we're also showing you how to trade. Now, anytime the market is making a high, look at this high, look at this higher high, and look at this higher high. 3 consecutive times is breaking high. Look at what is happening to the MACD. It's making a lower low. So actually, this is a higher high. So a divergence has occurred, and this divergence is solid. Okay, because it happened 3 times, and they are not internally. It's not internal divergence. Okay, so what do you think will happen? With time, even though it might not happen at this point, maybe it might still come up here. I don't know. That's why I drew this line. So I was expecting maybe it can come up here, tag this line, this channel kind of line, and from there, if you want to drop, that would be a very massive drop. Okay, that would be a very massive drop. So if it comes here to tag this line, then you can drop like this. Let's watch out. Anything can happen. The only thing I know is that I know nothing. Oh yeah. In this market, you know nothing, man. You know nothing. Oh, yeah. The only thing I know is that I know nothing. But from nothing comes something, and that something can sustain you for life. Even the Bible said that from poverty you make others rich. Oh yes. Okay, we are not reacting. We are just analyzing, and we are taking action based on what the market is doing. So guys, as I said, if this candle start breaking this low, we'll be taking a sell. Okay. All right, so I think I'll be taking a sell at this point. Yes, I've taken a sell at this point, and I expect this to continue pushing down. Let me take a sell again. Two sells, yeah. I'll be taking a sell too. All right, guys. So I've taken a sell at this point, and I'm expecting the market to keep pushing low. Okay. So I took a sell here. Stop loss is here. So we're expecting to drop to this point. Whatever happened, don't call my name. Whatever happened, let it be. So we just took a sell, man. Okay. We are just scalping, okay? We're not holding, we're just scalping. We're scalping because that is the way I personally understand the market. Most times when I'm swinging, you know, I will say, okay, I will not sell, I will just hold. I'll be holding, the market is going 100 pips, 200 pips. Then I'll start shooting like 1,000 pips. Market will start reversing, correcting itself. By the time it reverses to like 20 pip, maybe correcting itself, it might stop me out. And the mistakes I normally make in swinging, I always like to put my orders in a break even. So, and I want the market goes like 100, 200 pips, and it'll come and stop me out at 20, 10 p because I just put it at break even. So after I've done this over and over and over, I say, well, it's high time I changed my approach to this market. Since I lack that, I have over impatience, and I can't really explain. But ever since I started scalping, I think I feel good. Yeah, it resonates with my personality. So, and I've seen others making it big here. So that's why we're here, guys. All right, so let's do it together. Let's see how we can do it together. Well, we're already in profits. The market is respecting our decision. So can we call us a genius now? You make a decision in the market and it's respecting that decision, meaning you know what you're doing. Oh yes. So we are profits. We're in profits, but that's not just it. We are still waiting. We are holding this. Hold it with your day life. Hold it, man. I'm holding it to the next level, which is 2944. I'll be closing this trade in 2944. Okay? All right, so you see what would have happened to us if I were holding that buy? You see, ability for you to like know when you're wrong and run away. Remember, first time we entered the buy, okay, and we're expecting it to go in our direction, but something happened. I told you I've lost confidence in this trade, and I just decided to like follow my mind, just let it go, let me, even though I was expecting something. So, what ability for you to like know when to give up, when to stop expectation and just follow what the market is showing you. Because when you are sold out to an expectation and you've crossed your mind, you know, and you are rigid, like if it didn't happen this way, I will not take what the market is showing me. You'll be wrong most times. Okay? So well, you can see it's trying to like stop us out, even though it has went to how many pip profits is pulling back. This is what gold is. Okay, so probably let me put my if you decide to stop us out without our permission, who cares? So I'm just setting up my upper stop loss. Where it should be, because I saw that spike, man. It was scary. "15 minutes cancel just close." Okay. We were in profit like 19 pips. We did nothing. We didn't take profits. Market moved like 19 pips in our favor. All right, let's watch and see what will happen. So I'm trying to see if I can reanalyze and find out. This is 1 hour. This is 4 hours. Okay. You know, the market is at all-time high. So this, you know, you don't, most times you just open space. Open space. So, well, if we decide to stop us out, we did our best. We did our best. But we're not panicking. We're not panicking. It is what it is, man. He said, the confidence is not that I'll be fine if I win this trade, but also I'll be fine if I lose this trade. Yeah, I'll be fine on both sides, man. That's a real confidence. I'll be fine if it didn't go my way. If my expectation did not materialize, I'll still be fine. You see, the joy of the Lord is our strength. And that's one thing that you should be proud of yourself, that I am full of joy. I am full of joy. And nobody can take it away from you. Nobody can take it away from you. Let's see, let's allow the market do what it got to do. Okay? Gold is gold, man. That's why if you are not patient enough, gold is not for you. If you are fearful, just run away from gold. If you don't understand market structure, say goodbye to gold. You know, gold and Bitcoin, they are very, very volatile. Kind of volatility will swallow you up. We are still holding ourselves. Okay. So looking at this structure, does it really make sense? That's what I'm looking at. So this structure itself is okay. So, well, this structure should have made more sense than this, but we are sticking to our original plan. Remember the plan. Remember your plan, man. What's your plan for today? To make money. What's your plan for tomorrow? To make money. Yeah. 8 more minutes to close this candle. remember, we'll be here till New York session, okay? New York will be starting in the next 2 hours. So we stream from now to the next 2 hours. So we're not rushing, okay? You're not rushing for anything. Just take your time. Remember to share this live stream with your friend. We understand this market structure, right? So, and I'll be teaching you guys some how we analyze the market. If we are profitable, if we are losing, any decision we make, you will learn, you will get to know the reason why we took that decision, why we took that sell, you know, and stuff like that. So we are back to break even down, and we're expecting the market to drop. Okay. So, and based on what we've seen so far, there might be a very strong sell coming. Very strong. So let's wait this 30 minutes candle to close. That will tell us a lot of stories. That will tell us a lot of stories. And don't try me on that. I want to show you guys something. I want to show you guys something of what happened yesterday. I don't know how to hide secrets. That's my weakness. Okay? My goal this year is to help as many traders to become profitable. All right, guys, so let's wait for this candle to close. Okay, guys, so the 30 minutes candle has just closed, and also the 15 minutes candle. So the market is just reacting from this point. It's not really giving us that confident that we want to push more down. So at this point, we'll be adjusting our risk. Okay, I'll be adjusting my risk. So if we start breaking this bearish candle that close, breaking it above, I'll be closing out. So I've adjusted the risk here. Okay. Also, if you start breaking the 15 minutes candle too, that might be an indication that you break everything and move out. All right. All right. So we are watching. We are watching the market. Yeah, you can see a lot of weak and rejection here. That tells you that the bulls are strong, guys. Very, very strong. Okay. Well, one thing that is sure is that the market must move in one direction. Okay. If you refuse to go, then that means it's going to move up. Now, remember what I just showed you before. There is this pattern that I'm seeing here, but it's not that clear enough. But you know, market can humble you sometimes. So this pattern might be the one the market is trying to obey. This. Since this has broken this low, so obviously it's completed. Okay, so it's completed to push high again before it breaks down. It's a possibility we've seen. And, all right, so at this point, let's wait. Once you start breaking this high, the next 15 minutes candle, you know, one of the advantage of being a scalper, you must learn how to think fast. Yeah. You must learn how to think fast. So our risk can be reduced to this minimum. So we entered here. So if we start breaking there, we'll close it. Close it. But if you respect that and push it down, there we go. Okay, guys, so the trade is going as planned, okay, and yeah, no cause for alarm. The 15 minutes candle has closed below this kind of rejection we was having before, so that gives us a free traffic, okay, downward. But let's watch. Let's watch for the 30 minutes to close. That will give us the full confirmation. 30 minutes waiting for it to close. Confident, guys. We are confident. Just like that. Are you guys still there? All right. 5 minutes to go. As candle closes, then we might add to the position or hold to the TP.